Hello, in this video, I'll be giving you a quick guide on how you can get the Robinhood Gold Card so you can access premium features and added benefits. So first, you will have to go to Robinhood app or the website and tap the account or profile section. Next, you will just have to look for Robinhood Gold or Gold in the subscription or memberships area. After that, you will just have to review the gold benefits like extended trading hours, margin, and research tools. Check the monthly price and any eligibility requirements. Then, if you want to proceed, you will just have to tap Upgrade to Gold, enter or confirm payment details, and accept the subscription terms. Finally, you will just have to check your account to see gold features activated, and if a physical gold card is part of the offering, you will just have to follow the prompts to request it. And another quick tip, you will just have to try Gold's features for a month only if you want to test benefits before committing. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much. Have a good day.